I'll show you how to remove the background from an image in Photopea using the Remove Background tool. With your image open, select the layer you want to edit. Then go to the top menu and click Select and choose Remove Background. As you can see, in this first example, the tool does an incredible job, even with the finer details. The cutout is smooth and clean, which is amazing for a one-click solution in free software. One great feature of this tool is that it creates a layer mask for the cutout. This means the original pixel data is preserved, so you can easily make further edits without losing any part of the image. This first example was straightforward, and the result is already great. If you want to save the image with a transparent background, save your file as a PNG. Remember, the JPG format doesn't support transparency, so PNG is essential for keeping the background transparent. Now let's move on to a more challenging example. This time, the background and the object blend together, making it trickier for the automatic tool. The dark parts of the dog's fur are almost the same color as the background. Let's give it a try. Select the layer you want to edit. Once again, go to Select at the top and click Remove Background. You can see the tool struggles a bit to separate the object from the background, but you can simply run the tool again on the same layer, and it will refine the selection. Look at that. Another fantastic result. However, when we add a white color fill layer as a new background, you might notice some shadows remain in the image, especially around the cat's white fur and whiskers. To refine this, let's make a copy of the image layer so we can compare our adjustments. Hide the duplicate layer while you're working on the original. We'll use the smudge tool and the clone tool to blend the object more naturally with the new background. First, make sure the layer mask is selected. On the left toolbar, select the smudge tool. Adjust the size to make it a bit larger and softer. Set the strength to about 15%, then gently smudge the dark edges to blend them with the new background. That already looks better. But the whiskers still have harsh, dark edges. To fix those, switch to the clone tool. Select it from the toolbar and adjust the brush to be soft and the right size for your work. Lower the opacity to around 20% to keep the effect subtle. Hold Alt or Option on a Mac to choose the area to clone from, then click or drag to blend the edges. Once you're happy with the result, you can compare it with the original layer to see the improvements. When you're ready to save, make sure to hide or delete the color fill layer and to choose the PNG format if you want to keep the background transparent. JPG format doesn't support transparency. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.